Hi there, students. Loopy, an adjective. And yeah, loopiness, a noun as well. Okay, loopy is an adjective meaning strange, unusual, silly, crazy, mad, also sometimes angry as well. Particularly the phrase to go loopy. So I think he's gone loopy. He had a brilliant job and he just gave it up. Yeah? He's gone bonkers. He's gone crackers. He's gone crazy. Yeah? He's a loony. Yeah? He's gone loopy. This idea is loopy. It's ridiculous. It's stupid. It doesn't make any sense. It's just a non sequitur. Okay, notice to go loopy, either to get very angry. When he saw I'd broken his favourite glass, he went loopy. Yeah? My uncle went loopy and they put him in a lunatic asylum. So either angry or crazy, both of them together, are valid explanations. Let's see, loopy can also mean something with lots of loops. Let's see, a loop. What's a loop? A loop is like a length of rope that's doubled over to make an opening. Yeah? A loop. So, for example, the roller coaster had lots of loops. Yeah, it was a loopy roller coaster. His handwriting is incredibly loopy. It's got big circles in it, and that would work as well. But loopy, we use loopy to mean crazy, insane, eccentric. Yeah, March is the month when many people went loopy, like the March hares. Or I think people go loopy when it's the full moon. I think when this epidemic started, people went loopy buying tons and tons of loo paper, of toilet paper. Yeah? So loopy, dotty, eccentric, crazy, bonkers, crackers, daft, round the bend, okay, balmy. Yeah? So mad, or also absurd, foolish, idiotic, imbecilic. The loopy policies of the current government, they're just moronic, they're preposterous and nonsensical. Okay, so something that's loopy is mad, it doesn't make sense. Okay, he went loopy because I was late. The boss went loopy, so in a mad way, but angry. Okay, I don't want to hear any more of these loopy ideas. I think it's the idea of driving 1,000 miles in a snowstorm is a loopy idea. Yeah, it's totally loopy. It's crazy. It's not sensible. Okay, so loopy meaning mad or angry. This is informal English. I think I would give it a 4. Informality. You could use it, definitely use it in an informal conversation. I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. Okay, I think it would be loopy to use loopy in a very formal piece of work. And then as to origin, okay, well it comes from loop. Yeah, there's an old Norse word, halup, halaup. Okay, a run or a running knot. Yeah, Proto-Germanic, hiaupana, to leap or to run. Okay, so a loop, a noose, a circular bit that closes at one end. Yeah, okay, so loopy. This is a loopy idea. You probably also know the phrase, keep me in the loop, keep me informed, yeah? Okay, but that's slightly different. It's not loopy to keep people in the loop. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Loopy.